Okay, in today's video we're going to show you how to replace the cloth wiper system on a Mimaki 330 series. So this is the UCJV, but it's exactly the same process for the JV and the CJV330 series. So you're going to need one of these. This is the replacement cloth wiper. I'll show you what it looks like here. I will link it in the description and it should be linked to this video as well. So first things first, we need to tell the printer that we're going to change the wiper. So if we go into the menu, then maintenance, station maintenance, then you'll see at the bottom there is replace wiper. That will move the print head out of the way and bring the wiper forward. I highly suggest you glove up for this. The cloth wiper is impregnated with cleaning liquid, so you want to protect your hands there. So we're going to lift the two maintenance covers, top and bottom. As you can see, the print head is moved out of the way and the wiper system is brought forward. So we're just going to lift the little flap there. Then you've got two tabs to open the wiper up. There we are. So this one has run out, hence why it's saying replace wiper on the screen. But as you can see, it's a cloth wiper system. You've got two cog sections and the middle rubber roller. So I'm just going to remove the old wiper. I'll just get the camera set up so hopefully you guys can see it properly. There you go, you just pull it straight out. And that is the old one that we need to get rid of. And this is our new cloth wiper, so we're going to open that one up. And there it is. So first things we need to do is remove the elastic band, keeping it all held together. There we are. And excuse the ink, my hands were a little bit dirty from removing the old one, but essentially we need to put the larger section at the back, and then the cloth wiper goes over the central roller and the smaller section goes in the front. It's not a difficult process to do. They slip into place very easily. There's no difficult technique or anything like that. I am rollering the front one a little bit just to make sure it all aligns and it's all nice and flat as it should be, which I'll show you now. So there you go, you can see the back section slips into a little place there, the front section the same, and the cloth going over the central rubber roller. At that point we can bring the top down, and that should lock everything into place, just revealing the cloth roller. And then we can pop that little piece back and tell the printer that we've replaced it. So we're just going to press enter and it will say close the covers, which we're going to do, and that is the process for changing the wiper. If you're interested in any of the materials or tools used in this video, check out the Signmaster website or give us a call.